Veer Savarkar International Airport is located at, the correct answer is D, that is Port Blair, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Where is Annadurai International Airport situated? The correct answer is A, that is Tamil Nadu. So Chennai Airport is the country's third busiest airport and an international hub handling over 10 million passengers per year. And this airport is connected to the city by the Grand Southern Trunk Road as well as the suburban railway network. Where is the highest airport in India located? The correct answer is B, that is Leh. So, Kushok Bakula Rinpoche Airport is an airport in Leh, the capital of Ladakh, and it is the 23rd highest commercial airport in the world at 3,256 meters, or we can say 10,682 feet above the sea level. The airport name is Kushok Bakula Rinpoche Airport. India and Afghanistan launched second air cargo route linking Kabul to Mumbai was officially inaugurated at which airport? The correct answer is A, that is Hamid Karzai International Airport, and it is expected to boost the export of fresh fruits and medical plants from Afghanistan. It is expected to boost the export of fresh fruits and medicinal plant from Afghanistan. The King Khalid International Airport serves which country? The correct answer is D, that is Saudi Arabia. It is located 35 km north to Saudi Arabia's capital city Riyadh. Tezu Airport is located in dash. The correct answer is D, that is Arunachal Pradesh. Rajahmundry Airport is located in which of the following states? The correct answer is D, that is Andhra Pradesh. So Rajahmundry Airport is located at Madhurapudi, 18 km north of Rajahmundry in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Maharana Pratap Airport is located in dash. The correct answer is C, that is Udaipur. So it is situated on NH 76, Debuk, Rajasthan. Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport is located in dash. The correct answer is B, Varanasi. So Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport located at Babatpur, 26 km northwest of Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, and it is also known as Varanasi Airport, and it was officially renamed after Lal Bahadur Shastri, the second Prime Minister of India, in October 2005. Devi Ahilyabai Holkar International Airport is situated in which of the following cities? The correct answer is C, that is Indore. Maharaja Agrasen International Airport is located in which of the following states? The correct answer is E, that is Haryana, which is also known as Hisar Airport, the another name of Maharaja Agrasen International Airport. Kushinagar International Airport is located in which of the following states? The correct answer is B, that is Uttar Pradesh. Zurich Airport is located in which of the following countries? The correct answer is D, that is Switzerland. Fiumicino International Airport is located in which of the following countries? The correct answer is C, Italy. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport is located in which of the following city? The correct answer is B, that is Ahmedabad. Dimapur Airport is a famous civil airport built during World War II. Is located in which of the following states? The correct answer is C, that is Nagaland. In which city is Indira Gandhi International Airport located? The correct answer is B, that is New Delhi. In which city of India would you find the Swami Vivekananda Airport? It is in A, that is Raipur. The world's tallest indoor waterfall has been opened in Changi Airport. Changi Airport is located in, the correct answer is Singapore. Match the following airport with their respective cities where these are located. The first one is Kempegowda International Airport. The correct answer is C, that is Bangalore. Then second one, Chaudhary Charan Singh International Airport is located in Lucknow. Then Lokpriya Gopinath Bordolai International Airport located in Guwahati. Then Jayaprakash Narayan International Airport located on Patna. Then fifth one, Biju Patnaik International Airport located on Bhubaneswar. So the correct answer is B. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.